Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to link your Oura Ring to Apple Health step by step in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your devices and apps. Make sure your Oura Ring is paired with your iPhone using the Oura app. You'll also need the Apple Health app, which is pre-installed on all iPhones, and an active Oura account. Step 2. Update apps and firmware. Open the Oura app on your iPhone and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Also, confirm your Oura Ring firmware is up to date to avoid syncing issues. Step 3. Open the Oura app. Launch the Oura app on your iPhone and tap the Settings icon in the bottom menu. Select Health or Apple Health from the list of options. Step 4. Enable Apple Health integration. Tap Connect to Apple Health and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to allow Oura to write and read data, including sleep, activity, heart rate, and readiness metrics. Make sure all relevant permissions are enabled. Step 5. Verify connection in Apple Health. Open the Apple Health app, tap your profile icon, then select Apps and choose Oura. Confirm the permissions you enabled in the Oura app are active and syncing correctly. Step 6. Test syncing. Wear your Oura Ring for a short activity or sleep session, then open Apple Health to check that your steps, sleep, and other metrics are appearing properly. Step 7. Customize data tracking. Within Apple Health, you can choose which Oura metrics to display on your dashboard for easy monitoring of your overall health and wellness. Your Oura Ring is now successfully linked to Apple Health, giving you a complete view of your sleep, activity, and recovery data. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more fitness and tech tutorials.